Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is again Amira. So today I'm going to make steaks. So yeah, let's get to the video. So the ingredients you will be needing are honey, black pepper, chili pepper, salt, lemon juice, this chutney, Emily's chutney, and garlic, ketchup, chili ketchup, and soya sauce. And you need the meat for the steaks. So yeah, let's get started. So first we have to marinate the meat for 2 hours, and then we are going to make the steak. So now we are going to hammer the meat. So the meat is ready to be marinated. Now we are going to marinate it. First we add the salt, then the chili powder, black pepper, honey, lemon juice, imli ki chutney, pasted garlic, chili ketchup, and soya sauce. Now we are going to mix this. So we've marinated the meat, mix it well. Now we are going to cover it with plastic wrap. You can also place a plate or anything and put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. After 2 hours we are going to take it out and make it. So till then, wait. So it's been 2 hours and now we are going to put this in a pan. So we've greased the pan. Now we are adding the meat. And now we wait for them to cook. So we will close the hatch, then we will. After half an hour, the steaks are ready, and we also put potatoes. So yeah, it looks like light brownish color, and you can serve it with chutney or yogurt as you wish. So yeah, this was today's video. Hope you guys liked it. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so when I post more cooking videos or baking videos, you will get notifications. So till then, bye guys. In the next video, bye bye.